After using Windows 10 for almost a week, I've discovered some neat little changes and features that Microsoft hasn't yet discussed. Smart tweaks that if you're a mouse and keyboard user looking for a reason to upgrade from Windows 7, you will be very pleased with. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft's new stepped-down streamlined browser is a Windows 10 exclusive, and you can't run it on Windows 8 or below. Only Windows 10 users can take advantage of web page annotations, the clutter-free reading view, and Cortana search integration. Whether it's enough to oust Chrome or Firefox as a browser of choice remains to be seen. Explorer has a home tab. In the last few versions of Windows, opening My Computer or a new Explorer window would show you your computer's various storage locations and shortcuts to default folders like Documents and My Pictures. In Windows 10, you now end up in a new view called Home, which shows favorites, frequent folders, and recent files. Cortana arrives on desktop. As on Windows Phone, you can ask questions about the weather of famous pop stars, get directions home, set reminders, and more. Besides, you can also get her to turn Windows settings such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on or off. Click the Cortana button on the Start menu to get started. The Hey Cortana voice activation feature is optional. Manage your notifications. Windows 10 comes up with a revamped Action Center that lives on the right-hand side of the desktop and provides a stream of all the notifications that come in form of any application. Click the notification icon in the system tray to open and configure it. You can finally put the recycle bin on the taskbar, rather than having to poke around Explorer or minimize everything and find the recycle bin icon on the desktop. In Windows 10, you can now add the recycle bin to both the taskbar and the start menu. Yes, think about the possibilities of that change now. This one is a bit odd. You can make the Windows 10 start menu as tall or as wide as you like. If you want to have a start menu that takes up the entire left side of your screen or narrow strip across the taskbar, that's now possible. The taskbar itself is also resizable. With Windows 10, you can analyze the storage space on your PC. Just type storage in the taskbar search box, choose the storage setting, and you can see exactly what type of files like music or video are taking up your hard drive space. Add a new virtual desktop. At long last, virtual desktops make their way to Windows, so all you power users can spread out your apps across multiple screens. The taskbar and desktop shortcuts remain consistent over all of them. Click the Task View button on the taskbar to bring up an overview of your desktops and add new ones or remove existing ones. The new Wi-Fi Sense feature has attracted its fair share of controversy, but it's an easy way of letting people use your home Wi-Fi while they're visiting. Your contacts never actually see the password, but if they're linked to you and also on Windows 10 bit of kit, they can just start browsing as soon as they get through the door. Stream Xbox One games. Streaming games from one place to another isn't a completely original idea, but the link Microsoft has built between the Xbox One and Windows 10 machines could be the best use of the technology yet. If the kids want to use the big screen in the living room, you can stream your Xbox One gaming up to your laptop or desktop upstairs if your home network can cope.